Okay guys, so what you're gonna need is your lipstick base in little microwavable cups, your pigment, this is the one I'm using, your glitter, and this is the one I'm gonna use for my second lipstick. And then you need popsicle sticks and paper towels and gloves. Now I use gloves when I put the lipstick base into the cups. Make sure everything is sanitized, of course. Alright, so this is me just microwaving it. I use 30-second intervals. So I did that twice. And by the second one, it was completely melted. Do not let your lipstick base boil. And then here is the first lipstick. I'm using the Sparkle Rose and the Winter, I can't remember the name. Winter Diamond, I believe it's called. Winter Diamond glitter. Now you add 5 scoops of the Sparkle Rose into the lipstick base. I only showed one because I didn't want this video to be long. Okay, and then you're gonna add the glitter, white diamond, and this is cosmetic grade glitter. Do not go to your craft store and buy that cheap dollar regular glitter. That is so dangerous. That does not belong in cosmetics. I'm just letting you guys know. You guys are wondering why I'm talking fast. It's because Abella is in the background and she keeps making noise. So you guys just add that in, and then I'm gonna mix it up and melt it one more time because the lipstick base does solidify really fast. So here's the swatch of it. I do on the outside, you can see it's sheer. That's just one swipe of it, and then in the middle you can see how it's really pink because this lipstick is buildable. I just wanted a sheer lipstick, but you can build it if you really want that color. Look how pretty it looks, guys. Alright, so this is the second one I made. So I ended up only using one color. This is like a burgundy color. I used one color because I didn't feel like adding all 3 of those colors. And I added holographic glitter, and this is the way it came out. And I'm also going to show you guys how I pour the lipstick into the lipstick tubes because I did not film it showing the last color. See, these are already poured. And of course, I'll clean it up with alcohol and all that after. So, yeah. Usually, I pour a lot more cleaner, but since I'm filming, you see it spilling all over everywhere. But if I wasn't filming, I'll pour it cleaner. Of course, I will clean that up afterwards. I'll make sure the tubes are nice and clean with rubbing alcohol. I'll clean everything off and sanitize everything, of course. So pretty. So I only made 3 of these. Well, technically 4, but 1's for me. So 3 for sale. There's a lot left over because I ran out of lipstick tubes. But yeah, so pretty. I love it. So yeah, that's really how you make a lipstick. I will show you some swatches in a minute of both of them. Alright, so that's the first one. See, it's sheer, it's pink, really pretty, reflex gold. And that's the second one. It's like a burgundy and it has like the holographic glitter in it. Really pretty. So see, guys, it's so